Okay, the first thing you'll notice for most users is that the text and the images are squashed, and sometimes if you have a big monitor, the display is just really crappy. And when you go to system preferences, the display is only stuck at 1024 by 768. This basically means that the video card is not yet supported. So before we get to that, we need to first solve the issue that the operating we no longer need the iBoot disk to start the operating system. So we need the iHack installer, which is included in the downloaded file that I'll be providing you in the description. So just double click it to run it. Welcome to the iHack installer. Click continue, and continue, agree. We need to install it onto our Mac hard disk, so continue again. You can customize the installation, but I just like to use the defaults. There you go, and just click install. So just type in your password and then click OK. And it will begin installing. There you go, it's writing the files. So just wait for it to finish the installing. One thing you'll also notice is that the menu bar is not transparent or translucent, I mean. Just because special graphics are not supported yet, because I don't have a driver. We need to install a driver first for the video card. This is why the motherboard and the video card is a very crucial part of Hackintosh. You really need to make sure that your computer is supported before you do this. Okay, so the installation is completed. We close, and we need to restart the computer to see the changes. Click restart, and there's no more iBoot disk inserted onto the disk drive. See, I don't have it anymore. You can put that aside now for future use. The iHack, there you go, and it's booting all by itself now. And this, I'm really quite amazed that it's booting quite fast for a Hackintosh. Okay. Okay, so this is our Hackintosh now, and it's booting all by itself. Now we need to fix the issue of the graphics. Now I'm going to really say that the installation of the graphics card drivers is different for all of us. You really have to Google it yourself. But I have the ATI Radeon HD 4650 graphics card, so I already have a graphics driver for that. So all I need to do is just install that. Before I do that, I need to update my operating system to Mac OS X 10.6.2 for that to work. So I'm just going to install that first, and when that's done, I'll be back with you. Okay, I noticed that the keyboard doesn't work, and and the sound doesn't work also. So I rebooted again using the iBoot supported disk. It's back into my disk drive, but now I have Mac OS X 10.6.2. So to resolve the issue with the keyboard and mouse and the sound not working, we need to install the drivers first. So open Kext Helper, drag voodoo hda.kext and voodoo ps2 control.kext into iBoot, to the Kext Helper, and close this window and click install. Just remember to type your password first. Use the easy install button. Oh yeah, I also don't have internet working, so I'll install my internet driver first. Just drag it there really quick. Okay, and then click easy install and reboot. So I'm going to wait for this to install, and when it finishes up, I'm going to reboot and we'll be back. Okay, so I've rebooted without the iBoot disk anymore, just the built-in MyHack bootloader in the hard disk, and now the keyboard and mouse works, and I also have sound now. Yeah, and I think I have internet. Oh yeah, I have internet now. Okay, now that's done. I need to resolve the issue of the resolution. So what I need to do now is open up Kext Helper again, and then drag my graphics card drivers, type my password, and click easy install. And this is going to ask me to reboot once more. Okay, so my computer is restarting now. It's the MyHack bootloader. So we'll just wait for it to load up now. It's very fast now. So again, you see that the resolution is still stuck at 1024 by 768. But you'll notice that the menu bar is now translucent. And that means the graphics card is now working fine. So we'll go to System Preferences, click on Displays, and now there's a lot of resolutions there. So just click this maximum, and there you go. The screen now looks fine. The graphics is beautiful now. Yeah. So make sure that the sound works, the mouse works, the keyboard works, and internet works. There. And now you have a fully functional Hackintosh that can run on its own, and now you can actually do stuff with it every day. So this is Mendoza Iris, and this is how I installed Mac OS X into my computer. If you have any questions, you can feel free to post comments, and just make sure those are easy questions. I'm not really a pro with this. I'm just a regular forum user like you, like everyone else. I just got this working out of months of preparation and trial and error. So good luck with your Hackintosh, and I'll see you next time.